Hello everyone. Welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to group and ungroup data in pivot tables. Let's begin. Here is my data. You can see I converted some of my data into the pivot tables, and here you can just have a single click and data will be grouped in months and years. Automatically you can see all my data is in groups and years, months and years. So how I did it, I will tell you how I did it. You can just come on the data. I converted this my table into table format and just convert insert pivot table, and it is creating a new sheet. Here order date, and here as of now you can see automatically converted into the groups, but I don't want it now. I just ungroup them, and this option is available in the pivot table analysis. You can come here and you can include your revenue here and how many number of orders. You can also include them here the same way. Here I'm just going to double click count, and now it is giving me the number of orders for each value. uh, it's simple count number, and this is my revenue. Now I want to convert it in groups. Where is this option? In pivot table analysis, you can click here, group. Here there is a method to, for example, from here to here, group selection will do. You can see the group is one created, but I don't want it. You can do this manually as well. And here I just click on the numbers, dates, and group the fields. Here the option is available, different options are there. You can see here seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, quarters, years. As of now, I'm looking for months and years. So I'm just clicking it both the options and OK. You can see it. All my data, it's been created in, and now I want to make collapse entire fields. You can see all my data is available in this way. Now I want to include the customer names. Just drag the information here and it's there. If you will, this information after the years you will put it, it will give you after the years. Otherwise, wherever you are fixing your customer name, it will give you the same way. Now it is giving you the Alex in different years, Barry in different years. But if you will move towards after the year, it will give you everyone in different months in one year. What is Alex, what is Bearish, and if even though you want to make it put it in the columns, you can. See here, I just moved my information from rows to columns. Here is all my data available with you. You can see it clearly, and it is in the group function. So here it's very easy, group and ungroup. Ungroup, it is ungrouped now, and just click quarters instead of months and years. You will see in the quarters now. And if even though if you want to include the months, you can just click the months, and it will give you in months as well. Quarter one, in what month, what is the data. It's up to you what type of requirement you have it. You can group your data. See here, all my data is available. And here in the formatting, if you want to design your formatting, for example, here, see, I'm applying this format. Automatically, it is creating for me a very good pivot table. It looks nice. And here, if you want, you can see here, there's some subtotal options. You can see, you can put it in a different ways. See here, it's changed the format, dates and everything. No, and here grand total in a column of column on. You can see here all the information on the rows, it is removed, and here off, you can on. Report layout, show in tabular form. See here, now it's in a tabular form. Uh, my years are here, quarters are here, and order, dates, everything information as per my requirement, it's there. And their values, even though you can see here, the values are available by each person. So you can create very easily your group data. Uh, I will attach this Excel sheet in my website. You can download from there. I will provide the link down. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post a new video. Provide your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you.